Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Luvuno and I'm so glad to have you here. So today is Tuesday and today is Madaraka Day. So happy Madaraka Day to you and yours. So today was initially I wanted it to be my resting day, but I got bored at home. So now I've prepared myself. I want to go to town. I want to buy a few things that are missing in the house and then maybe buy a few things for myself and I wanted to bring you guys along with me. So yeah, by the way, I think you'll be watching this video on Saturday, so happy late Madaraka Day. So with that said, let's get started. Let's go. Hi guys, so it's Saturday today. I am back from home and I've already done my laundry and I've washed my carpet so it's out drying. Now I want to mop my entire apartment and yeah, that's it. So I'll mop the apartment and then you'll see where the day leads. Hi, let me just turn that off. Hi, can you see me? So I've washed my apartment, I've mopped it, the entire apartment is now all clean, and then I've also washed my carpet, that's why it's not here, so it's outside drying. And now I've just made some viazi karai I want to eat right now while I undo my hair, because it has stayed on my head for a month, a whole month. So I want to undo my hair while I eat this, and I think I'm going to watch a YouTube video from someone. I'll just search for something to watch. And then this is my viazi karai, by the way. Yum 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 yum. The thing underneath the viazi is the tamarind sauce. So this is a popular snack in the coastal region, so that's why I love it. So let me just pick a channel to watch and then continue the video. I ended up watching Katake's video as well as Ivy Melania's video and Beyond Being Laura. So let me just continue undoing my hair and I will catch up with you guys at the end. Hi, Saturday is another day and it's a working day, so it's evening time and I'm preparing to go home after work. So I've already booked my bus and I'm just waiting for it to come so that I can go. So here I am and I'm on my way home, so see you when I get there. Hi, I'm back home. I'm going to pick my bag and then I bought some things, some bread and something for dinner. So I bought bread for tomorrow and then I bought some blueberry. I want to cook mukimo for dinner.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you've lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're gonna go. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Stand
So I'm done cooking. I'm just going to grab a quick shower, and that marks the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you next Friday. Also, I am really sorry that I've not been uploading. I swear and I promise that this time I'm going to be consistent. From next week, expect a video every Saturday. So yeah, that's it. Bye. See you on Friday. Oh, I mean on Saturday. See you next Saturday. Bye.